Alright, so for today's look we become a Venus guy trap, not to be confused with a Venus flytrap. We only trap men here. To start off, I'm making out, weird sentence, I'm making out where I want my faux teeth to start and then cutting each tooth out. I made these a little bit different than I normally would, and this is going to be with fake nails, the kind you would either get from a beauty supply store or a drugstore or something like that. Getting started on my face though with a primer, as if it were soil. Changing quickly and then utilizing some green face paint all over, both with a compact brush at first and then a beauty sponge to make sure that it's as even of an application as possible. I then moved on to the upper portion of my face with my brows, which I'm filling with a liquid lipstick accurately named Venus Flytrap, not Guy Trap this time. And then my eyes with a white primer, as this is going to give out the most color payoff that we want. Blending it out with the warmth of my finger as per usual, and then using a gray transition shade, again as per usual. Followed up with a green eyeshadow in the inner and the outer corner as well, meeting up in the middle through the crease and feathering out into a wing. Then with a lighter green, adding that closer to the middle and then blending that out with the original green that I had put down. In the last bit of white that's left, I'm going to be using almost like a cranberry-ish shade, being careful not to blend it too much in because red and green, as much as they make Christmas, they generally do not mix well together. They kind of create a little bit of a poopy tone. Continuing this duo underneath my lash line. With a shimmery pink over top, this is going to be a dry down eyeshadow. And finally some lashes, which you definitely know that they took a lot longer to put on than I was leading on. And a top off of mascara to blend everything better together. These fake lashes and my real lashes. And a green liner to give the appearance of even more plant life. I hadn't thought too much about the actual area for the teeth when I did my face paint, which I am actually getting ready for now by removing some of it. And going in with liquid latex, which is my adhesive of choice. Adding each individual nail tooth, which sounds super weird, and going over the top with some more liquid latex. Then finally some toilet paper. You can definitely use any type of paper that you have, tissue paper, whatever, as long as it's something that can be easily blended into your skin, it'll work out. To tie in the inner red of the Venus flytrap though, I'm going to be using a red lipstick on both my actual lips and the gum portion of the teeth. And then it is wig time. A lime green wig felt fitting. As for the mini Venus flytraps that I added into my hair, or, well, my wig, those I especially made for this look from reused bottle caps. Reuse, reduce, recycle. That's what we do on this channel. Which I did bend in half. I added air dry clay around them, slightly different to how I made them in my How to Make Faux Plants So They Never Die with my Venus flytrap video. And added bobby pins onto the backs of them to give a visible indent to where they would finally be set. Painted the inside pink, or like a ready pink. I was hopeful that the clips or the bobby pins would end up actually being able to stay in the clay and I wouldn't have to glue them, but alas, I was wrong. We all make mistakes. Learn from mine. And the outside green. Then I used super and or crazy glue to get the bobby pins into place on the outside, finally making sure that they wouldn't entirely glue down using, I think it was puzzle pieces. Yeah, it was puzzle pieces that you will have seen by now as the Queen's Gambit video is up. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.